LVS, or layout versus schematic, is an essential part of the circuit verification flow. The operations performed include extracting devices from the layout, determining device and net connectivity, performing checks like electrical path check, floating node checking, short and open net detection, device measurements, and finally, comparing layout to the schematic to ensure that the logical circuit representation matches the physical implementation. One substantial factor affecting the overall turnaround time of the complete verification cycle in design is design readiness. After the design integration, and while it is still in the early stages of the implementation and assembly, it will be dirty, meaning that some blocks will be inserted yet incomplete. DRC is still unclean, or fill is not inserted yet. Early or dirty designs could generate millions of errors. Designers will tackle this problem by prioritizing the errors, fixing the most important ones, and iterating through the design cycle. Running sign-off LVS on dirty designs is often an overkill, as all the circuit errors cannot be addressed, therefore all the checks should not be applied. This is the paradigm where we launched Calibre DRC-Recon at DAC 2019. With DRC-Recon, we have improved the efficiency and designer productivity for physical verification. We're now offering a similar use model for circuit verification. Take a problem like shorted nets. A short circuit is when you have two nets that are not supposed to touch each other or actually touching. Why is this happening? A lot of reasons. Bad routing, multiple tools, multiple designers, different databases, wrong dimensions, accidental polygon shifting, wrong assignment of a net type. Regardless of the reasons, shorted nets are a fundamental pain point in early designs. The comment from the design teams is that they spend the majority of their LVS debug time on addressing the shorted nets. Now, imagine a dirty design with thousands of shorted nets. This will occur on both long and shorted nets. Many times there will be a power ground short. If you've ever opened up a power and ground short in the debugger and highlighted the path, the entire circuit lights up. To fix shorts, each shorted path needs to be analyzed and fixed because eventually you cannot risk a short circuit in your design. And what happens on the chip integration level is lots of development work happening in parallel till the design is ready for taping out, including fixing these challenging shorts. This is why we're launching Calibre LVS-Recon, where the premise is very simple, yet it involves a lot of technology under the hood. Using intelligent heuristics, we leverage Calibre LVS verification on the highest priority steps for dirty designs. We only execute what is needed for early chip integration phases. This reduces the runtime of LVS, or more importantly, the number of turns for a designer, and reduces the amount of errors that a designer needs to consider. Calibre LVS-Recon enables engineers to focus on major pain points like shorted nets, where the number of errors are gross when the design is not ready yet, and could impact multiple verification flows, not just LVS. By focusing only on what matters in early designs and enabling faster and focused iteration-based use model, the Calibre LVS-Recon flow significantly accelerates the circuit verification iterations by providing engineers fast feedback that enables them to quickly analyze, fix, and verify selected design issues. All of this is happening while allowing users to easily navigate between these models without spending CAD resources or requiring foundry deck changes. By leveraging the Calibre LVS-Recon technology for early stage design for a class of issues like short isolation analysis, designers are experiencing 10 to 30x faster iterations with a third of the memory consumption. With built-in options to focus on specific types of violation, addressing the most impactful errors first, Calibre LVS-Recon enables teams to debug errors and fix them in parallel, split data, partition their chip for easier debugging and root cause analysis. all serving the end goal of faster time to market. Calibre LVS-Recon makes everybody's life easier, where designers and engineers can achieve more and close their circuit verification cycle faster. And it helps companies realizing a faster time to market for their products.